Can you imagine owning a fully automated affiliate store that updates itself, pulls products directly from AliExpress and Alibaba, creates the descriptions, images, even blog content, and promotes itself on social media? All you do is sit back and watch the commissions roll into your account. Well, this is actually possible, and it lets you build a complete DFY affiliate store ready from A to Z, products, content, traffic, everything handled for you with zero tech skills or experience required. And the tool that makes this happen is called Auto Ali Stores. Like I just mentioned, it automatically builds you a full affiliate store that updates itself, imports products from AliExpress and Alibaba, generates descriptions, images, and posts, and even markets itself across social platforms. So basically, all you do is track the results, and the rest happens on autopilot. But before we dive into any details, let's check out the demo video to see Auto Ali Stores in action, how it actually builds a complete affiliate store right in front of us. And before we hit play, if you love discovering tools that help you build digital businesses and passive income streams, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, don't forget, the link to Auto Ali Stores is right down below in the description. Click it, test it out for yourself, and see how simple the process really is. Let's dive in.
Hello, Beats. Hello, Beats. Hello, Beats. Hello, Beats. Hello, Beats. Hello, Beats.
Hello, Beats.
Halal Beats.
All right, so now that we've seen the Auto Alley Store's demo and watched exactly how the tool works, how it automatically builds your affiliate store, imports products, writes the descriptions, and even promotes them across social media, I honestly don't think I could add much more to what we just saw. That demo pretty much says it all. The truth is, what impressed me the most is how smooth and beginner-friendly it looked. Literally, plug and play, and you've got a store up and running in minutes. And right now, you can get full access to Auto Alley stores with all the features you just saw in the demo for only $13 with lifetime access, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Can you believe that? To me, that's a deal you simply don't want to miss. Plus, you're fully protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means it's completely risk-free. Zero risk, 100% peace of mind. So go ahead, click the link in the description below, try Auto Alley stores for yourself, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd really love to hear how it works out for you. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.